Hey guys, how do you like to learn to build a custom Alexa skill that will work on any Amazon Echo device that would allow you to control any TV in your house with your voice and a Raspberry Pi, even if the TV is 10 or 15 years old? Check this out. Alexa, tell my TV to turn on.
Turning your TV on.
Alexa, tell my TV to increase the volume. Alexa, tell my TV to decrease the volume.
Decreasing volume.
Alexa, tell my TV to channel surf down.
Channel down.
Down.
Channel down.
Up.
Channel up.
Alexa, tell my TV to power off.
Turning your TV off.
How about learning to build Alexa skills that would allow you to voice control anything in your home using an Echo device? Alexa, tell my device to turn on.
Turning your device on.
Alexa, tell my device to turn off.
Turning your device off.
Hi, I'm Leah Sam. I'm an inventor, US patent holder, electrical engineer, and university instructor, and I like building cool projects. In this course, I'll teach you the basics of building Alexa skills from scratch to perform home automation with a Raspberry Pi. Here's a more detailed look at what the course will cover. We will first cover all the details about custom Alexa skills so you will understand the Alexa ecosystem and learn the building blocks of Alexa skills. We then discuss how to set up your Raspberry Pi and install all the software you need. We will then dive into flask-ask, which is a Python library we will be using that allows us to quickly build custom Alexa skills. We then build a Hello World custom skill so you will understand how to configure your skill in the Amazon developer portal, and we will write a Python skill handler that will run on our Raspberry Pi. After covering the basics, the fun then begins when we build an Alexa skill to control an LED from our Raspberry Pi. We then tackle home automation by building a skill to allow you to control any device in your home by incorporating a relay circuit with the Raspberry Pi. In a really awesome project, we build a circuit that you connect to your Raspberry Pi that would allow you to control any TV in your home with an Alexa-enabled device with your voice. Along the way, you will learn a lot. At the end of the course, you will have the confidence and knowledge of how to build Alexa skills to perform home automation, allowing you to voice control any device in your home. No previous programming or electronics knowledge is required for this course. I will teach all the principles from scratch.
Learn how to build skills for home automation with Lee using me, Alexa, and a Raspberry Pi. It's really cool.
Let's get started today building custom Alexa skills that can run on any Alexa-enabled device to perform home automation using a Raspberry Pi. See you in the course.